Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add an email on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to add an email on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to add an email on Roblox. So today I'm going to show you how to add an email on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding an email on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on account info. Now you are seeing email. Click on edit button in front of email. Enter your email and then click on change email. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add an email on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.